Welcome back to Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, I have newcomer in here. Okay, please. Okay, could you introduce yourself for a small listener?
Oh yes, sure. What do you know? What do you want to know about me?
I don't know about you.
Okay. Okay. So my name is Eddie.
Okay.
I study English literature at the State University of Makassar.
Okay. Hi, brother
Hi.
Eddie.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now we talk about beauty pageant. Continue
yeah.
our discussion later. To like beauty pageant, we have many preparations. So,
Yeah.
do you think how many preparation we have to prepare before we want to join in beauty pageant? If you can see in the TV. So, so perfect Miss Universe,
So
ladies
perfect.
in Miss International. So maybe have many preparation. How do you know about this?
All right. So what I know about this is that I know that because beauty pageant is all about representation.
Yes.
So when you become a representation, you have to have something that makes you different from
Okay,
everyone in the world. Like there has to be something that you can prove to the world that you are who you are.
Yes.
And so the preparation should be about being ourselves first, because we cannot be a representation of something when we don't even when we are not even ourselves. So
Yeah.
so let's embrace ourselves first, and then when we can do that,
Yes.
and then after that, let's show to the world that what is it that we have, that we can help the world. Maybe it comes from your talent. Like maybe it's about like for example tourist or something like that about your country maybe.
Yeah.
And that's what I think about it. Like it has to always be about ourselves. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good opinion from brother
Thank you.
Eddie. Okay, to be like in a national pageant, especially for a beauty pageant, yeah, you have too many preparation. Like you have to know more about your country. You have to look perfect, especially for your grooming, and also have many knowledge, not only about tourism, also so many knowledge you have to do because you are example for your country. Okay, like this.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we back to brother Alam. Hello. Okay, continue about the question later about so many preparation we have to prepare before join in international pageant. So do you think what is many preparation like this?
For me, a simple preparation is we need to know what is our specialty in our country. That we can introduce our country, our culture in the world, to say this is our culture will
Yes.
be to see in the world.
Yeah, to show the world.
Yes.
Because you bring your country, you
Yeah.
want to make your country to be proud of.
Proud, yes.
Yes. Okay, and I have a newcomer again in here. Hi. Okay,
Hello.
could you introduce yourself for a small listener?
Hello everyone. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nahwi, and I'm coming from Goa. Now I'm college students of Unismo Makassar. Thank you.
Okay, hi, brother Nawi.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, do you know about international pageant, right?
Yes. I've read several information related with international pageant. So, if I'm not mistaken, it's about competition,
Yes.
especially among women, in which they are competed with beauty and other qualities. Yeah.
So, some question for you.
Yes.
How many preparation to being like international, special for beauty pageant?
Pardon me. What? Sorry.
Sorry. I mean preparation. How many preparations? How
Oh.
many steps? If you want, if
Okay.
ladies want to, the great woman want to bring an international
Okay,
beauty
I got it.
pageant.
Okay. To be honest, I'm not an expert on this field, but yeah, as far as I'm concerned, there are a lot of things to be prepared because
Okay.
I've watched the competition once when it was popular on television.
Yes.
It's not the women at the moment is not only judged based on their beauty, but also there are other aspects such as their insight,
Yes.
their cleverness, for example, and other like skills, like
Yes.
whether or not they can sing, or probably they have like a lot of skills in languages, like they are polyglot, for example.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's also it was changing my opinion about international pageant at the moment, because I think the international pageant only measured the women based on their beauty, but after watching the competition, my opinion about international pageant has changed.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
So
It's not only beauty,
Yeah. Yeah, it's not only beauty. If women want to being of part of international beauty pageant, you have too many knowledge.
Yeah,
you have
sure,
to talented.
sure. Yeah, you
because
have
yeah,
to
I
be
feel
talented.
yes, of course. If you see in TV. So spectacular if you want to be like example for everyone.
They are not only beautiful but also
Yes.
very smart.
Wow, it's really difficult, right?
Wow, it's totally difficult.
Yeah, it's really difficult if you want to join in beauty pageant. I have planning to do like this.
Oh, sure, really? Oh my god.
Yeah, you can do like this.
Nice.
Okay, let's back to Brother Rian. Okay, in international pageants, so many pageant, in especially for beauty pageant. How many how you know about beauty pageants?
How do I know about the
Yes.
beauty pageant?
Yes.
Is,
Like
Miss-
example, Miss Universe,
yeah,
Miss
Miss
International.
Universe.
What
Miss-
else?
Miss Celebrity.
Oh, Miss Celebrity.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how to say Putri Indonesia.
Yes, of
Miss
course.
World.
Yeah.
And many more.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Addition from you about how many you know about beauty pageant contest in
Yeah.
Indonesia or international, whatever.
Maybe it wasn't mentioned before. It is Miss World, I guess.
Yeah, Miss World.
Miss
Include-
Universe.
yeah,
Miss Universe,
Miss.
Maybe you know one of the woman from Miss World before 2021 or the 2020.
Well, I hope I remember, but
From what?
I forget.
Okay,
I
it's
hope-
okay,
I
it's
hope so
okay.
that I remember, but
Okay.
yeah, I think that's all that I can mention.
Okay. Okay, Miss World, Miss Universe.
Universe.
Okay. This is new for me. How about Brother Nahwi?
Yeah.
Yes. Include Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss Celebrity. Do you know another pageant in Indonesia?
Such competition.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Probably I would like to mention our local
Yes, local also
competition,
include.
such as
Yes.
in my college, Duta Kampus.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
This is include
Yeah, that is
also.
our the nearest one,
Yes.
especially among us as
Yeah.
college students. Yeah.
Yes.
And then it was prestigious competition that I know
Okay.
because
Like what?
the Duta Kampus. So
Okay.
the college students are not only judged by their own like beauty or handsome, but they are also valued by their intelligence, for example, and also their gift, their skills, for example, in dancing, or probably they have like other, for example, traditional skills like
Yes.
dancing and etc. So it makes that competitions like prestigious for me. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
so
think that's
prestigious
yeah.
because you have to give example for everyone. Yes. Maybe you know the Miss World before.
Yeah,
know what
when I was child, for example, if I'm not mistaken, when I was child, yeah, at the moment, if I'm not mistaken, at the moment, a girl
Yeah,
that got
from-
the winner coming from South Africa. if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. You
They
remember
are,
what
she
years?
she is if I'm not mistaken, African American. She is
Okay.
like a black skin and etc.
Mm.
And yeah, to be honest, yeah, at the moment, my opinion about international pageant is totally different from the moment, because previously I was thinking that, oh, probably this competition is only for the beauty one, the one that is very beautiful and etc. But yeah, the reality, even though the people which are coming from other ethnicity, other different colors, they still can compete within that competition. So yeah, from that moment, my opinion about international pageant is already different.
Yes, it's really different because
Yeah.
so many steps. Not only, and
Not
also
only
you
your
have to,
beauty.
yes, you have to keep your body healthy also.
Yeah.
And you have to learn more. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Back to brother Alam. Okay. For brother Alam, I want to ask about yes, to be beauty pageant. I look example for beauty pageant, especially for international pageant. What else? Because if I look in TV, they always promote about tourism. Maybe in maybe another knowledge they know like economy. Maybe you want to explain a little bit what beauty pageant should know about knowledge. What kind of knowledge beauty pageant have to know?
Yeah, that's interesting. That because this if you want in the Miss Universe or International, you should be go somewhere else to see what economic happened today, and explain what they have to and what the reason is the economic is falling down. And we
Yes.
as know in Turkey example, there is a economics is going down, and now in the Miss Universe we will think how to rise the economy to get the normal economy again.
Okay, thank you for your nice opinion. Okay, for a small listener, don't go anywhere.